Hello, it's Guru Nishan from gurunishan.com. This is the place to be to manage your frequency. And what I do is share different tips and techniques to help you live your lightest and brightest self. Today, we're going to do a simple yet interesting exercise to stimulate the nervous system. You know that little cord underneath your tongue? Yeah? That relates directly to the central nervous system. So today we're going to actually work with the tongue, and it has a very gradual effect on the nervous system and actually affects the neurons in your brain. So for the first couple minutes, it can actually feel a little irritating and your tongue can start to hurt. Once you get past that point, it'll actually rewire the neurons in the brain and you'll just feel much better, okay? So quite simple, just make sure you're sitting up straight. You can be sitting in a chair or doing this wherever. We're simply gonna stretch the tongue all the way out of the mouth. And then when you pull the tongue back in, clap. That's it, okay? Let's have some fun. I'm gonna time us. All right, let's do it. Work that tongue. Don't cheat yourself. Move beyond where it hurts. And keep stretching the tongue further and further each time. And when the tongue comes back into the mouth, you clap. The tongue is one of the strongest muscles in your body, and yet we don't give it any real attention. Keep going, stretch that tongue. Clapping when the tongue goes back in your mouth. I don't care if your jaw hurts, I don't care if your tongue hurts. Push, push, push. Go beyond that. Go beyond that. You're almost there. Beautiful. Stretch your tongue all the way out. Inhale. Exhale. Pull the tongue back in. Whoa. Can you feel how the tongue, the jaw, all this stuff, it's all so related, and we're not taught to really work this stuff. Ears, nose, throat kind of stuff, yeah? And that tongue, in fact, what's interesting about the tongue is the tongue relates to the vagus nerve as well, which is why working the tongue affects the central nervous system, because the vagus nerve goes from the base of your belly to the base of your brain stem. It's one of the most important nerves in our body for our capacity to feel empathy, to feel for other people, to feel what's happening beyond our own circumstances. Anyway, powerful stuff. If you enjoyed this video, do me a favor and like it. And also subscribe to my YouTube channel. I would really appreciate that. And do me a favor and spread the word. Let somebody else know that my channel exists and that every single week I send out a simple breath practice to help you live your lightest and brightest self. This is the place to be to change your frequency. So be sure to check me out. And I look forward to seeing you again next week. Thanks again for being here. And check out more of my videos. I got a ton of stuff on YouTube and look forward to connecting with you again. Talk to you soon.